One, two, 1, 2. It's your boy I Will 3, back again representing the Slab Kings. And as always, man, as you enjoying the content that I'm bringing, please hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit that like button too, man. Give me a thumbs up, man, if you like the content I'm bringing. Man, I know it's been a minute since I've done a video. To be honest with you, man, just been busy doing regular work type things, and this is really my hobby, and I really enjoy doing it. But sometimes, man, life gets hectic and you don't get a chance to sometimes do the stuff that you enjoy to do. But I'm back. I was able to make a few adjustments, man, and today we're going to bust open this mega box of Prizm. Now, this is not my technical forte. I know we have a lot of guys that do this, that are actually breakers. I do it because, every now and again, I do like buying product. Mostly now I've come to really in the sense of flipping cards that I previously had, or, I may buy certain pieces off of eBay and whatnot, to flip them and get them graded. But also too, I've been on search. I know a lot of these cards are, hard to find, and every now and again you will, get lucky and pick up a box and find some of these rare cards. Looking for the downtowns and the different variations of the ices and things of that nature. So hopefully, man, I bust open this Prizm box and see what it has in store for me. This is basketball, and primarily, my three favorite sports, American sports, are football, basketball, and baseball. And what I tend to see now in the hobby, football and basketball are king. Baseball, just depending on, you may catch a guy and he's hot for a year, but usually when you find value in the baseball players, they have to put together some real good consecutive years of playing at high levels. And I mean, it kind of goes across the board as well, but definitely in baseball. Sometimes in basketball, you look at a player like, say, Zion Williamson. Even though, now he just recently kind of had some off-the-court issues, but, now his cards are still holding and yielding some high value, even though he's been hurt a lot and has not really been able to, play. So, so it's just something to kind of, look out for within the different, sports or whatnot. So, I'm going to take our time now, man, and I say take time. I'm going to go ahead and bust this open, man. I've been sitting on this box for probably about a week because I really didn't have time to shoot my video, and I was very anxious on opening it up because I hadn't bust open a box, or hell, even a pack of cards in a minute. So we'll go ahead and get this open. And it's 10 cards per pack, 60 total cards. As you can see, my man Steph Curry is on the front. So it says 514 Mega Box exclusive red ice prisms. Unwrapped 4 silver prisms per box on average. Look for autographs and penmanship and rookie penmanship. So on the back of it has it's a 300 base card set, and it lets you know pretty much what they have as far as the on average and the inserts that you're looking for. So with all that being said, let's go. Hope everybody's been doing well, man. Jumping to the dead heat of the summer. It was almost time for, if you got kids, to go back to school. I know I got 3 of them, and now it's almost time to go back to school shopping. So we'll see. So we're gonna set that right there. And again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see what we got. I guess they're gonna slide right on the table. What we got here? Josh Giddey. Got Seth Curry. Austin Reeves. He had a hell of a playoff series this year with the Lakers. You know, his value is shooting up. Cole Anthony. Terrence Mann. And our first red cracked ice is Joel Embiid. Put that over there to the side. Oh, Vince Carter, one of Vince's last cards. But he's actually, looked like he was in the Raptor uniform, but half man, half amazing. Other red cracked ice, we got Hall of Famer, Golden State Warriors, Chris Mullin, Ron TMC. And the dominance card is, who's that? Durant. Put that right there. And Brandon Ingram. So, pretty decent, I guess, the first hit. And get in the rookies, though. Put that to the side. Again, starting off, this is Marvin Bagley III, Chris Boucher. Oh, got the man himself, LeBron James. Put him up here. LeBron had a great year passing Kareem for all-time score, so I think at some point, man, it's going to take a minute, man, for us to really appreciate LeBron's greatness. You know, we always pat him against Jordan, and, you know, we do that because he, you know, want to be the GOAT or, you know, in the GOAT category. But, man, the things LeBron has done, man, and being, you know, on and off the basketball court, that there'll never be another like LeBron. Kristaps Porzingis, Jimmy Buckets, first cracked ice, Jardine Daniels, from Minnesota, put him up here. Then we got Cameron Payne, and like we got a rookie, makes 3, Josh Minott, put him up there. Instant Impact, Nikola Jovic, I'm sorry. And then Hall of Famer, John Stockton. So we'll put them here. Put the Instant Impact right there. Let's go on to the next one. PJ Tucker, former Houston Rocket, still shooting them corner jumpers, them threes. Chris Durante, Austin Rivers, another former Houston Rocket. Got Will Barton, John Collins, Alec Burns, not too familiar with that guy. Melo, this is our last Melo card as far as being active with the Lakers. which is nice. Kenneth Lofton Jr. is his rookie card. Oh, look, we got the Admiral, USA Basketball. All right. And we got a rookie, Chet Holmgren. I think this could be worth a little something. You know, Chet, he initially hurt himself his rookie year, so I think that was a good little haul right there on the major rookies. All right. Hopefully he has a great year. I know we have been talking about the guy from France. I forgot that boy's name already. 7'5" boy from France. Wembley or something like that. Let's see. Quentin Grimes. DeMar Rosen. Bradley Beal. Oh, Russell in Laker uniform. Westbrook. There's another guy who made him a little money this offseason. Ray Hachimura ended up going to the Lakers. Man, he did excellent coming out of that trade. Red Ice. Drew Eubanks. Jordan Poole, Red Ice. Jalen Green, second year card. Put him up here. Global Reach, Rudy Gobert. And we got another rookie to end it off in, oh man, I can't pronounce that. Osman Dean, I think. Yeah. Put him over here. Again, we in the dead heat of summer. As I record this, I think it's July the 29th. So we're getting ready to come into August. You guys getting ready for football? Yeah. Down here in Houston, man, we got the Texans, new regime under oh my God, the former linebacker for us. Can't think of his name right now. Brand new quarterback, the Ohio State kid. All right, we got Pascal Siakam, Kemba Walker, Bojan Bojanovic, Gordon Hayward, Daniel Thies, Cracked Ice, Julius Randle. Got rookie, Johnny Davis. Another Cracked Ice. This is Kelton Johnson. Emergent, Patrick Baldwin Jr. And look at my boy, the answer. AI. Put it right there. Last pack. Yeah, there don't been no corners. Here we go. Colin Sexton, Matt Conley, Marcus Smart, Joe Ingles, Montrezl Harrell, Red Ice, Jalen Brunson, Red Ice, Eric Gordon, Donovan Mitchell. Emergent Jaden Hardy. And rookie Shaden Sharp. So yeah, looks fairly decent. I think my biggest pull out of this box will definitely have to be the Chet Holmgren. And gonna penny sleeve him and put him in a holder. But yeah, the biggest card I pulled. So we can check on some of the values, some of these other cards. And I don't see many print defects. I know with these prisms that mess around and have a lot of dents and marks and whatnot. But so far, box look pretty good. So appreciate you guys spending y'all time with me. Again, liking the content, man. Hit the subscribe and the like button for be able to find out about more future content is coming. Yeah, I know for my followers now who are waiting on the slab projects with the cars, it's still in the works. I'm still, trying to pin down a few more interviews. So just be on the lookout for that. But until the next time, man, this has been I Will 3. This is Slab Kings, man. You guys have a good day.